Hi, my name is Jamal. I'm civil engineer and occupation health and safety specialist. Me and my partner, we build a web-based safety management system. We start this project because we saw a real need for it in here, Cyprus. The system helps companies manage work permits and accidents or risks. It takes all that information and shows it as simple statistic on a dashboard. So you can see what's happening easily. Even though we don't have the official certificate yet, but we built everything according to ISO 45001 standards. We imagine it, we make it, let's do it together.